Hello and welcome to Elkie Art. Today I am making art with both of my girls, Ella and Olivia, who are how old?
10.
10. And we just finished watching Kpop Demon Hunter. If you haven't seen it, pretty good movie. So they wanted to do the tiger demon from the movie. Okay, how fun is that? So if you would like to draw the Kpop Demon Hunter Demon Tiger with us, check it out, follow along, and see if you can make this fun face that we created in our video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, stop it.
So I turned my paper horizontally and I'm going to start kind of toward the middle of my paper. I'm using a Sharpie so that you can see a little bit better. Obviously my girls here are using pencil. And I have just a kind of a semi-wavy line. And then I'm going to bring it down kind of to a point. Almost looks like a wide heart. This is going to be the tiger's nose. And from there, I'm going to make a curved line that goes all the way out. It's kind of an S curve, so it goes down and then up. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Look how wide it is. Then I'm going to start making some teeth. So the teeth are basically like triangles. They come down to a point. The ones towards the nose are a little smaller. And then of course you've got kind of the fang teeth that are a little bit bigger. And then you've got the really, really big teeth coming up next. Now those ones actually kind of curve a little bit outside and then they come back in, kind of like a saber-toothed tiger. So it goes out and then in like so. So do that on both sides. A little bit of a curve towards the outside. I'm going to go straight down from the center of my mouth here, and I'm going to make a little line to kind of show where the bottom of the mouth is going to be. I'm going to bring it out right about to where that fourth tooth is, and then it's going to curve up and run into the giant tooth on either side. So it's going to come out and then up. Now it looks like the mouth is open. And I'm going to bring my two little teeth up in the middle. And then I'm going to add two more that are a little bit larger along the outside on the bottom. So now he's got a mouth full of teeth. If you want to, you can even kind of indicate a tongue in the mouth too by kind of having this wavy line behind the teeth to make it look like there's a tongue in there. Now the outside of the mouth needs to kind of connect to the bottom here. So I'm going to bring it around, loop it down, and then it's going to go behind that giant tooth. So I can do that on both sides so that now it looks like the mouth connects. It's got a nice big wide mouth. And you can even make kind of the inside lining of the mouth by just adding another kind of C curve in there too. Then I want to get into some more details on the face. So I'm just going to put two little dots next to the nose on either side. And then I'm going to come out towards the side of the mouth here and make two more dots. They're going to be a little bit higher up than where my first ones were. Just a little bit. And I'm going to connect those lines with a slight smile line. It kind of almost looks like a slight curve. It's not super big, but it goes down and then up. Then I'm going to go up, and this one's a little bit of a bigger curve, so I can kind of make it look like a rainbow. Up and then down. I'm going to make a giant circle on the inside to make it look like eyes. We'll do that on both just by making kind of curved lines towards the outside edges. And then I'm going to make another circle inside of that one. This time we can see the entire circle. And then I'll do another circle inside that one. And then I'm going to make a highlight and color that center part black around the highlight. So now our tiger has eyes. So big circle, medium circle, small circle, and then a little highlight dot. And I colored the small circle black and left the highlight dot white. Next, I'm going to start right at the inside of the eyes. And I'm going to make another curve that goes right around the top, under the bottom, and then connects again. So start at the inside, curve around the top, goes pretty high, around the bottom, and connects to the middle again. Then I'm going to give some eyebrows. And another line that goes above the eyes. And then I'm going to connect the top two with kind of this soft line in between. Next, I'm going to bring that curve down. It's going to pop out just a little bit, kind of right where the eyes are. And then it's going to come down to the bottom, under the face, pop out a little bit on the outside, come back in towards the eye, and then connect on the other side. So now I've got a face shape. I also need some ears, so I'm going to bring my line out and in. It's not quite pointed, but it definitely is not curved either. And you can adjust as needed. I'm going to add a couple little hairs on the very corner of the ears, and then add some inside triangles to the ears as well. I'm going to just thicken up the top part of these curves. And then of course we need the dots that go down the middle of the face. So I'm just adding some circles, 3 of them to be exact, right down the middle. Now this area inside of the mouth is dark, so because I've got a black Sharpie, I can go ahead and just color it in black. I can make little nose holes so the tiger can smell. And I think we should be good to color. Now for coloring, as you can see, I kind of sped it up a little bit. So the main part of the tiger's face is blue, and if you want to, you can kind of add some lighter blue highlights. Then I'm adding some warm colors for the eyes. So yellow and pinks kind of inside of the eyes. And then we will keep on coloring to kind of show you how it looks when it's all completely colored in. And feel free to kind of pause the video so that you can catch up, or maybe just wait till the end so that you can see all of the colors together. But I'm going to use pink on the tongue. You can kind of have fun blending with the colors too, so like blending some of the light and dark blue, or blending some of the warm colors in the eyes. It's kind of fun to experiment with that with colored pencils. All right, so you can see all of the parts that I have pink or yellow, and of course all of the blue parts as well. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed making the Kpop Demon Hunters tiger. This one is such a fun one to watch, and I hope you had a good time drawing yours. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below so that you can see more of our tutorials.